So we're gonna winch it nice and gentle so we don't throw everything to the front of the van as we're pulling this thing out.
More. Something's wrong. You got the e-brake on or something.
I don't even know. This is a rental.
I don't think it's gonna pull it out.
All right, y'all. We are headed down to get, oops, I forgot what we're going to get. But we're going down to get something, and you're going to come with it. Oh, no. Hey, I remembered. We're going to get a convertible Mercedes, which they're not very easy to get, but I think that we'll be able to get them out safely. Do you think so? Come on along for the adventure. Hello, my friend. Good. It's good to see you again.
Yeah. See you too.
All right. Well, you just got back here and then did that hot rod thing that you do and just put your foot to the floor. And it's okay. We got you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is a repeat customer. It's one of our buddies. All right. From what I remember, this is the one that's got that weird bushing on the front of it that there's no control arm. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull up in front of them and then I'll put my bridle on them and just slowly bring them forward with a winch, I think. Got enough room for people to get around. All right, I'm gonna use my secret bridle. We won't talk about it too much, other than the fact it's done an incredible job.
Yeah.
I got it caught underneath the ice cream truck. Look at that.
Whatever.
Daggum ice cream truck ate it.
Oh.
But it has, I don't know what the suspension's called. Maybe you can remember, Christian, but the suspension on that ice cream truck, it has like one long arm from the wheel that goes up this way and one long arm for the wheel that goes up this way, but they're like,
I-beam.
yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what the front end is. And so it got scissored in between those two pieces.
Yeah.
What I can tell you is it's nice to only have to run this through.
Yeah.
So this is all I got to thread, you know? And it's long enough it comes back out. This is a prime example of one where if you thread this wrong, then you grab that stabilizer arm behind it, as my wife would say, no bueno. But for me, that right there is easy.
Oh, yeah.
All right, get the other side. Good to have skinny arms sometimes when you have like 2 inches of clearance under here. These front tires aren't even sunk. This is a race car. Yeah. I could do like Johnny and probably stand up with this rig. But I won't. This is a vehicle, I will not kinetic pull on this unless I absolutely have to. If I could show you those forged pieces, like the only thing that's underneath here to work on, you'll understand why something like this, I am gonna winch. It's $47,000.
I don't think it's gonna pull it out.
Get it, oh, come on now.
I think I watched you guys on YouTube.
All right, so I just turned my camera on. What did you just say?
I think I watched you guys on YouTube.
And before that, you said you don't think it's gonna pull it out.
I was just joking. I know I think.
I know he'll do it, right?
Yeah.
Hey, no, I'm your friend, Brian. I'm not having your causing trouble. I
I'm
was
just.
telling him I'm a Geico adjuster and I'm trying to get prices, but I
Oh, you?
was saying my own Dodge Grand Caravan. I just had it towed. We live in Lake County. We're local.
I was just teasing you anyway.
I
So
know you were, but it was 7 miles, I think, and it was like 100 miles.
yeah. So we're between $20 and $200.
Pretty silly. That's
I'm an old Marine Corps veteran, and you know
Oh, my
I cut
guy.
deals. This is one of my frequent flyers. He has frequent flyer miles, so I think
that's a
this is the
nice-ass car
this
for
is the 4th time I pulled him out. But he gets out here and starts daydreaming about the
And
beach
you
and does
be doing-
business, and he'll be like, "Hot rod, you know this thing's got all this power." he doesn't know what to do with it, so he just puts his foot into it. But we're all,
Man, I was just being nosy.
no worries. It's probably the #1 question.
Yeah.
Nobody wants to know how much we pay for tow truck insurance or a permit, but
For this
how?
vehicle? No, that is beyond reasonable, my friend.
You ready to watch?
I would want.
Here we go. You ready? Go ahead and put it in drive.
Behave. You better behave in there.
Give me a teeny bit of gas. There you go, just like that.
Look at that. Look at that.
Like butter.
Butter.
You can probably stop right there. I think I got you on a downhill out of here. I'll get this out of the drive lane. I'll unhook that in a minute.
Hey, let's be honest. It's because you're driving in Tacoma.
We do admit that.
I'm gonna
Just gonna throw that out there. All right, look, my friend. Remind me of your name.
Richard.
Richard. I knew that, but I didn't want to say it wrong. All right, Richard. Look. You're welcome, brother. You just gotta come out this way. Just come down and turn this way. Okay. Wait till I get you unhooked. Wait till I get you unhooked. Just throw it in park. This is what we say. You know, have a blessed day. Thank you for hanging out. So this is what we say when people say, oh, that looked easy. Well, take into account that we have about 5 years of experience, so we understand the technique. We have learned through trial and error what the right equipment is. We've done probably over 2,000 vehicles, so we know where to hook up on stuff. And if you combine all that together, you know, we have the gear like Yankum ropes, where, you know, these guys are just amazing with the products that they make. Hang on, I gotta concentrate it for a second. I got it. So one thing about this is hard, so it get like caught up like that. I had to turn it to get it out. All right, Robert, bring it down. Be blessed. Another satisfied customer. Not satisfied once, not satisfied twice, not satisfied 3 times. He is satisfied 4 times. 4 times. But you know, we love all of our peeps.
Meanwhile,
You good? Okay. Oh, hold on. Santo, this is John. Are you stuck on the beach?
Hey, buddy, the people here helped me out, so we just got out.
Come again?
The people just help us here, all the people around. So we want they get us out.
Yeah, with the RV. Yeah, I waved at you. Look, I'm right here. Look, in the truck that passed you, and I said hi. That's why I asked you if you were good.
Yeah, I didn't know it was you, brother. I came up to you, brother.
Okay. Hi. Good. Let me dig it out a tiny bit. I think we can push you out. What's up?
Thank you, brother.
Yeah, man. Make sure you got out of there.
You're the guy with the shoulders.
Yeah. Well, with my company, yeah, I keep a few with me.
Makes the job a little easier. I was trying to figure out where the steps were.
Oh, I just got here, so. All right. So go ahead, hop in there. You got traction control off?
I don't even know. This is a rental. I couldn't find 4-wheel or anything. That's all I have.
Oh, traction control's there, next to the hazards. Hold that for 3 seconds.
Oh, this guy.
Yep. Hold that. Okay, that should be good. All right. So now turn the wheel that way some, straighten it out right there. All right, so I'll give you a 3, 2, 1. We're gonna give it a push. Just try and back up real easy, okay?
Oh.
All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Just a little bit of gas. Yep, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Are you in reverse? You are? Give it some more gas then. It's not even spinning. Give it some more. 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 Something's wrong. You got the e-brake on or something.
Oh, some brake. I didn't turn it on. It turned itself on. It is a brake on.
Yeah, we ain't gonna be able to push you with the parking brake on.
I didn't turn it on. I jumped on. Okay.
Okay. All right. Let's try it again. 3, 2, 1, go. There you go. Just a little bit. You don't need too much. There you go. You were having to floor because e-brake was on, but once it was off, you can just do a little bit. Go ahead, back up a little bit more. Nah.
Oh,
Good.
man,
Nah. Yeah, man. We're happy to help. Yeah, of
Yes,
course.
sir. Thank
Of
you,
course, man. Yeah. Make sure you turn and get straight. You'll be able to get out of here, okay? All right. Yeah. We get a little bit of footage if you don't mind. That's about it. A little bit of footage we got. You don't mind? That's about it. Hey, y'all have a good one.
Hey, y'all. So I'm feeling special today. This is the second time that Christian's gone out with me as my videographer. So I know Johnny's the star, but I feel kind of special. So we got a Sprinter van we're going to get not too far south from headquarters. Why don't you come along for the adventure? Oh, yeah, man. Look at that. How you doing, man?
I've been better.
Nah, you're going to be just fine. This is an experience.
Yeah. Wanted a picture of the van?
We're gonna get stuff.
Wait, let's make sure we got that on record.
For the record, I told him not to do it, and that we were gonna get stuff.
I did everything she told me that we weren't going to do.
Okay, that can't go on camera, but I got to give you that one. Just so you know, we have a little bit of a Instagram, YouTube, TikTok presence. So if you guys don't mind, we'll put you on YouTube with us. Is that okay?
Make sure you get that one on there, too.
Oh, yeah, no, that'll have to be edited out.
Oh, no.
But you can just type in Santo, S-A-N-D-T-O-W, to anything you watch, and you'll see us. So I'm going to get behind you here and get all figured out and get hooked up. I'm not sure if I'm going to have you remove that or if I'm going to be able to cinch underneath it and around it. I might have you take this off.
Yeah.
Let me get it figured out. I'll get behind you. So just for the record, I could easily do this with a Yankum, but I'm not going to because it's a van full of people and stuff. So we're gonna winch it nice and gentle so we don't throw everything to the front of the van as we're pulling this thing out. I love my Yankum, and our winch lines are Yankum. All right, so does this come off or no?
Yeah, you can.
Because I have something that's gonna go in there. So let's just take that off. All right, so let's just set it over here. We can come back to get it. All right, we'll come back and get that.
That way back up? Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna go backwards.
You need to do anything or just sit on free?
No, well, you're gonna be driving. I'll give you final instructions before we go. Honestly, when we were pulling up on this thing, I thought it looked older, like older than a Sprinter van, but
Yeah.
I think it's the paint job
Yeah.
that does it.
Some of that red peeking.
Yeah, I'm gonna go forward a little bit. Looks like he came right over this curb. All right, my sir. That's what we're gonna do. I'll put you in reverse. Does this fancy thing have traction control?
No, probably not.
Okay. It looks like a little car with squiggly line underneath it, like it's burning out.
Yeah.
Nope, I don't see it. All right, so turn your wheel that way if you can a little bit more, about right there, perfect. Now I am going to go ahead. Of course, they told you when they bought the spinner, there's a recovery button on it, right? Did they tell you about it? So if you see, go ahead in reverse, right?
Yep.
Okay, just give it a teeny bit of gas. Go ahead. Yeah. Light gas, light gas. There you go, just like that. Yeah, perfect. Nice and light, nice and light. Yeah, here we go. Oh, wait. Yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get in the truck, put it in drive, and move forward. Just so you know, I was joking, there's no recovery button. I was using my remote, but you probably already knew that. Yeah.
Frank, you
Hey,
when you in reverse.
hey, yeah, just roll in reverse. Just steer. And remember, right where I'm at, the curb drops about that much on that far.
Okay.
So just I want to go easy over it so we don't hit anything. Here we go.
All right, here we go.
Johnny, I'm pulling with the winch line. Oh, no.
All right, that's good. Go ahead and stop right there.
Woo! Did we do a good job, baby? Did we do a good job? You're so welcome. Is it there? We'll go forward. There we go. I'm gonna put this in this way because the way it was in was like impossible to get back out. So there we go. Now we can pull straight up like that.
You're awesome, brother.
Thank you so
You're welcome,
I'm
guys.
gonna do a Yui here. I'm kidding.
Hey, do not let him. I know you told him not to come out the first time. You're in trouble if he goes back out.
Is there any part of the beach that I can't go out on?
That you can?
Yeah.
Yeah. International, which is that way some. But it's 5:30, so they're closed now. But tomorrow,
I'll be off work. I appreciate it, brother.
yeah. Let me make sure you're unhooked and out of the way, and you can back right on up.
How much weight is back there?
Oh, not much.
Oh, really?
Yeah, no, we keep them pretty light. We just got a big footprint. Well, here we go. So they were cool, although he had some input before he knew we were gonna be on the internet that I don't know, we might try and bleep it out, but it made me laugh. So, smooth like butter. We're out of here. Have a great night.
God, Santo, they're best.
Subscribe to Santo and you'll see all these awesome videos.
Subscribe to Santo.